Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here with another Spark video, and today we do have a incentive and we need to get 5 trips done before 11 p.m. which I know we're gonna get that done. And it is also Valentine's Day, so I'm expecting a lot of just candies and stuff like that. So we do have our first order. There's not a lot of items, but it's a little bit of a drive, but I'm fine starting with that. So I will see you guys inside. All right, that is both orders done, and now we're gonna head back to the store. It is a little bit of a drive, but I will see you guys once we get the next order. All right, so we have made it back to the store, and we did get our next order, and it is going to be pretty fast. I think it's only 5 items in less than a mile, and it'll be good because the smaller and quicker orders that we get will be making the incentive go by a lot faster. So we'll go in, get this done, and it should be pretty easy. Okay guys, that order has been dropped off, and now we are back at the store, and I'm just waiting for another one to come through. We've been out for about like an hour and 20 minutes or so, so we're not doing bad for time, and I will let you guys know once I get another order. All right, so after waiting for a little bit, we did get the next order, and these are probably the best. Really short miles, really short items, and decent pay. So I think it's about 5 items, won't take us long at all, and I will see you guys once we have the order packed up. All right, so I have been back at the store, and we did finish our 3rd order. I've been waiting for a little bit of time, and the 4th order just came in. 2-person shopping, I think it's 16 items, but it's pretty good pay. So I will see you guys once we get everything all packed up, and hopefully get this order done pretty fast, and then we'll have one more for our incentive. So I will see you guys inside. that is order number 4 done, and we need one more for our incentive. So I'm waiting for that now, and whenever I get it, I will show you guys. So we have our 5th and final order, very, very close again. I think it's 18 items. Shouldn't take us that long. And then of course, after we finish this and dropped it off, we will go over all of the numbers at the end. So please stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys inside. That is the final order for this video. We are going to go over some of the numbers. So as always, we're going to start with how long we've been driving for, our total plus the incentive, the miles that we drove, and our hourly rate. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and thank you for all the support you guys have been showing me. Same as always, we're trying to hit 500 subs, so if you could please like, comment, and subscribe. And that will be it for this video. I will see you guys next time.